Hello guys, let's talk about keyboard layout. How big do you want yours to be? This is a 1800 layout keyboard. It has a function row, it has a numpad, which is very useful, especially for people transitioning into the mechanical keyboard hobby who relies on the numpad for their work. This is the TKL layout or the 10 keyless layout. It doesn't have the numpad, but still has the function row and the arrow keys, and it's still a bigger form factor. This is the 75% layout. It is a more compact form factor than the TKL, but still retains the function row and the arrow keys, which for most users getting deep into the hobby, this is one of the most popular layout, as it retains the functionality of most of the keys that you would need, while at the same time being compact in its form factor. This is the 65% layout, no more function row, very compact looking, very nice, very sleek. Things get deeper when you dive into the 60% layout. This time it has no function row and no arrow keys. This is one of my favorite layouts. So cute and so nice. And now we have this. It's my first 40% keyboard. Very small, very cute. Functionality is a bit questionable at this point because you have to press a lot of buttons to access the layers for the numbers, so forth and so on. But hey guys, it looks really nice, right? So, which layout is your favorite? Hello guys, welcome to this quick review, and today we have a very cute keyboard here. This is the Akko Top40 ACR. It's my first time to ever try a 40% keyboard, and boy oh boy, I would describe the experience as being fun yet challenging. Okay, so this is ACR Top40. It's the 40% version of the Akko ACR Top 75, which I really love. I love that keyboard. Top mounting hits very differently. It's a very different experience from the very common and usual gasket mounting design that is available nowadays. So top mounting kind of have best of both worlds. So it has a good and different sound profile with some flex and some bounce into it, although I expect it to be stiffer than the usual gasket mounting, which offers the softest typing feel among the many mounting styles available out there. Um, this one is just so cute and so good. It's available at the Akko website and the Akko Shopee store. It has been recently launched, and I'm not sure if it will cater to a lot of people in the hobby, as this layout kind of has some functional limits, but really it's one of those keyboard that I would love to have in my collection. So it's a 40% keyboard. It is what it is. It's acrylic. It's on the deeper sound profile, but I do love how the sound profile turns out with this keyboard. So what I did here was place the Wuche Studio Quartz, which has a thocky deep sound profile, which I think would really match and benefit the acrylic case. I removed all the foams because it tends to mute it. I removed the PE foam. I did notice that the plate foam on this one is a unique material. It's not EVA. It's more of like the styrofoam material. So I didn't put that on because I think it's going to be more muted, because the ACR top keyboard acrylic top 40, top 75 keyboard tends to be on the muted side. So I removed the foam. I did a 2-layer tape mod and a polyfill on the bottom case, and I do love the sound profile. The ending sound profile is that of a thocky acrylic keyboard, but not too muted, not too dull. There's that little kick from the WS Wuchi Studio quartz switches, so it's not boring at all. I love it. I love the thockiness and the deepness. Problems that I encountered with this keyboard would be, number one, choosing the keycaps. So do take note that you would have to have special keys such as the space bar. You would have to have a 1-unit shift key, the enter, the backspace, and the shift, the left shift. All are not the typical sizes. So before choosing a keycap set for this one, please be careful. Make sure that it's compatible with the top 40. I love that it comes with the TPU plate mounted stabilizers. Akko, I know you are going to release it and sell it as a set of standalone stabilizers. Please do, because boy oh boy, these are one of the best stabilizers that I've used. The TPU plate mounted stabilizers of Akko. Super easy to tune. In fact, you don't even have to tune it. So it's really good out of the box. And yeah, that's it. It's wired only. It has RGB. It's south facing. It does have a polycarbonate plate, different from the brass plate that comes with the top 75. But I like the polycarbonate for this one. Acrylic case. I think the polycarbonate matches it perfectly. And yeah, my first 40% keyboard. Getting used to pressing the function key to be able to access my number row. And I placed the question mark here on the right shift. So that's my question mark key. This is VIA compatible out of the box. So you can use the online VIA software and it can be connected through that. So no problem in remapping the keys. So thank you, Akko, for sending over this keyboard. It's a very unique experience. I'm getting the hang of it, and I'd be using it more and more this next few days. And maybe this might be my new clinic keyboard. All right. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon in the next video. This is Talkie Dokie signing out.